Hi guys, and welcome back to Lark's Workshop. I'm Lark's. This is my workshop. Today we got a little job on my daughter's little Corsa D. So 2009. It's a simple one. Backlight's gone, or one of the back bulbs is gone. So I'm just going to show you how to take the lamp out, this one, show you in a minute, and change a bulb. Simple. Right, let's crack on. So to access the back of this lamp, which I am changing because it's got a crack there, got to go to the boot, pull that panel off. If you've got that, take it out, and then inside, I hope you can see in there, get some more light. There's a big white nut there. Big white nut there. Just got to undo them, pull the light out. So I'm just inside, just going to undo these. Easy to feel, they're nice big ones. One. There's another one. Oh, actually, can you see that? The little brass bit's pulled out a bit on that one. We'll have a look at that in a minute. So next, this should be nice and wobbly. Now, without dropping it like I have done on God knows how many times on other cars, just give it a little tug backwards. And then you've got a little plug here. You've got to just pull off. So there we go. That is a little lug you've got to pull off from the bodywork. Just give it a tug, hold on to it. Alright, let's get to the bench. At the bench, this is the old light with the cracked bit in it. See it there? This is the new to me second-hand light, which I got off of eBay. So we need to take this pan light, which is what holds the bulbs. So there's 3 clips. One there, pop it off. One there, pop that off. And one there, pop it off. And in theory, it should pop off. There she blows. And that was the lamp in question, I think. That's at the bottom, isn't it? Yep. So that's the one there. All you've got to do is give it a twiddle, take it out, put a new one in. Grab the other one and just pop it in, I suppose. Make sure the bulbs go in the right holes and click, click, click. Done. This is the little nut that came off. Can you see the brass is stuck out? Now, this won't help the sealing of it, you know, to stop water getting in, but that was hitting the bodywork and that was going through the gap. So somebody's done it up too tight, so I'm just going to stick it in the vise, see if it'll push in. That wasn't particularly tight, but at least it's in, so that should pull up reasonable now. I've given this little area a bit of a clean out because it was messy. So what we need to do is plug the wire onto there and then line up this little jibber jabber with that rubber bush there, and then push it all back together. So, and then obviously do the nuts up on the back. Sorry if you can't see this very well. That one just plugs on, like so, and then pull the wire back so it doesn't get caught in the seal. Line up the jibber jabber in the rubber thingy, push her home, and then put these on, spin them up. Firm, firm. Done. Alright, thank you for watching, and I hope the video was of some use to you. I'm doing a couple of little jobs on this one now, so there'll be a couple of videos popping out. I've been really struggling uploading my videos onto YouTube for some reason, so hopefully I can get them back on, but we shall see. If you like this video and it's helpful, please give us a thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel, because I'll be doing a bit more on this, and I've done a bit on my son's car, bits and bobs on everything really. Yeah, please subscribe if you want to see more, and please leave some comments on any suggestions. And oh, I forgot, we've also got our Instagram account, which is Larks_workshop, and I'll see you next time. Cheers then.